Hi everyone. We're going to do two examples regarding direct variation and inverse variation. These are two problems here, 1 and 2. And so the main thing you need to know is if it's direct variation, you're just setting up a proportion that relates to values. So you can set it up this way, or you can put the x's in the numerator and the y's in the denominator. However, on inverse variation, what we did is we switched it. So, do you notice here the ones are together in column form, and here we switched them out. So here they got inverse there. We switched them around. So we're going to do both of these problems. Here is the first one. If y varies directly as x, and if y is 9 when x is negative 15, we must find y when x is 21. So we're going to use the first formula, which is y sub 1 over x sub 2 equals y sub 2 divided by x sub 2. So our 1's are going to be what they gave us, our 9's and negative 15. So that's going to be our 1's. So we're going to write 9 over, that looks like an A, 9 over negative 15 equals, and we're trying to find our second y, so that's y sub 2, and this would be a x sub 2 over 21. And you cross multiply and you get negative 15y y sub 2. I cross those two and I cross those two. Equals 9 times 21. Then you divide both sides by negative 15. So if I divide this by negative 15, this by negative 15, so we get 9 times 21 divided by negative 15. So our answer is going to be, if you put that in the calculator, you're going to get equals negative 12.6. Or you could kind of reduce this out and do it singularly and reduced. All right, the next one is inverse variation. So this is going to be our y1, x1. This is going to be our y2 and x sub 2. So write your formula down. And I just go across on that one. And then instead of putting the 2 here, we write y sub 2 here and y sub 1 here. And then you just merely plug it in. You're going to get 12 divided by y sub 2 equals 5/4. You cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you're going to get 5y sub 2 equals 12 times 4, which is 48. And divide both sides by 5. So that equals 1. 1 times y is just y. And 48 divided by 5 is the exact value. Approximate value would be 9.6. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Class, Miss Shaw's class. Boy, I love math. Miss Shaw's class, Miss Shaw's class.
Don't fail. Watch Miss Shaw.